Hello guys, Franklin here behind the camera. Today I'm here with David LeBlanc from Green Valley Carpet Cleaning, and we're gonna ask him some questions about his experience with us. He just bought a couple of machines or a setup, but it's not just that. He's not a first-time customer. He's actually a very long-time customer, and actually more than that. And you'll find out in a couple of minutes. So David, let's get started. Tell me how you got started and how Magic Wand has helped you with growing your business.
Yeah, Magic Wand has been at the backbone of all of my growth up to this point. I started in 2014, really thinking I was going to open up a weekend warrior job opportunity for myself. I had some prior experience with my father in the industry when I was a young man, teenager really. And in 2014, I was 25 and ready for a change and thought, well, I did this once before, why not do it again? And I always enjoyed it. And so I launched a very small operation. I had some very entry-level equipment at the time. Slowly, over the next couple of years, began to grow larger than I thought I would. Small, steady growth, but growth nonetheless. And then I went from a portable to a Jaguar 8.4, also bought here from Magic Wand. Served me well the last 2 years of a lot of growth, and now I finally jumped to an ETM setup, which we'll see in a minute, that I'm super excited about.
Okay, so what I was telling our viewers earlier was that you're more than just a customer now, because your dad was a customer for Magic Wand for a long time.
That's
so
right.
that makes you like a generational customer.
That's right.
So like, what do you see in the company that dealing with your dad and him dealing with us that made you trust us? And
yeah, well, obviously, whenever your dad, at least in my case, my dad had a lot of faith and still does in Magic Wand Company. Has been using their green chemistry since his genesis as a carpet cleaner. Really thought that was a special niche that we can provide to be a safe, effective cleaning company that used biodegradable detergents, things that were not going to harm, leave a lot of residue. And as he has had a lot of success with the cleaning agents that Magic Wand sells, so have I. I think Trash Green is a fantastic product. Everything they make, from Grease Eater to Oxyblaster, such a pure gel. You could go down the list. There is not a product that I've used from Magic Wand that has ever failed me on a job, disappointed me on a job, always given exceptional results. And I think that the biggest bang is the customers love it. They love how they smell, they love how they clean, they're concentrated. I think you get the most bang for your buck compared to other products on the market. So I've never had a need to go anywhere else and don't plan on it.
Okay, thank you. And also, so you are a customer of Magic Wand, and we just said that in your dad. So say one or two things that you would recommend to people who want to start and expand a business if they already have one, and why you would pick Magic Wand, or why they should pick Magic Wand like you did.
Yeah, it's a great question. I think Magic Wand, because they have been committed to a family-run model, and Taft Beg with his employees provide really exceptional service, both by way of being available for questions, concerns, chemistry issues, cleaning issues. I mean, you don't have like an automated voice message that you get an actual person. Coupled with the fact that he has over 30 years experience in the industry, and they provide a wealth of different angles to come at the cleaning industry. Whether you're a small startup and you can't afford a $40,000 truck mount, they could sell you something that's really affordable but high quality. They can give you training. They can assist you in every tier that you want to start at. And as you grow, they can continue to assist you with the small family-run feel, whereas you can't really get that with other companies that are conglomerate, or even deal in just a different manner, or even just trying to always sell you their version of what they think you need. Magic Wand loves to innovate and find out what the customer needs and fit that, versus trying to force feed their own vision onto your company, which is what you get often with other companies. So I love that they really are for the employees, their customers I should say, and help them build and fit the niche that suits them, instead of selling them what they think they need. So I've been very thankful for that.
Okay, thank you, David. Any last words you would like to say to our viewers?
Well, I'm super excited about this new ETM package with the Mytee Vortex Lite. I think it's going to change the way I do business. It's going to make my quality better. It's going to make my customers happier. It's going to make me more money. It's going to be a much easier setup, and I just can't wait to break it in and make some dough.
All right, thank you, David.
Thank you.